Hello, welcome back to this channel where we review many camera related things. For a good YouTube video, only video quality is not important. It also needs good audio. Now there are thousands of microphones out there, but the easiest or simplest one to use is shotgun microphone. So that's what we are going to review today. This Sony's EBM-B10 shotgun microphone. Full disclosure, this microphone is made by Sony, so it works best with all Sony cameras. So if you have any other brand cameras, this might give you some trouble. Being said that, let's get into comprehensive review of Sony EBM-B10. This review is going to be divided into 4 categories, which are design, ease of use, features, and audio quality. All sections are made in the video, so if you want to skip to particular section, you can do that. But first, let's see what comes inside the box. Paperwork again. And then a carrying pouch in which there is a dead cat and the microphone. First, let's talk about design. As you can see, it has 4 microphones which are mounted here. It has almost 6 control buttons on the back. We will talk about what each button does in a bit. It also has inbuilt shock mount inside, so you don't get noise due to vibrations of camera. Apart from that, there is a connection port which we don't need if we use it with Sony. The materials feel strong and sturdy. Definitely it's a plastic but not cheap plastic. And aesthetically so pleasing. Sony also has one longer shotgun microphone which is similar looking like this. But I think this one is the optimum length. Now, ease of use. It can be mounted on the camera simply by inserting it in a cold shoe mount. That's it. No cables, no Bluetooth connections required. It gets power from the shoe mount and sends back audio the same way. This is really amazing compared to my previous Rode microphone, where always there will be some wires dangling around. I already love this setup. It's compact and easy to carry around for vlogging as well. Then all the necessary buttons are given over here. Also there is an inbuilt noise reduction in the mic, so one less thing to do in the editing. Now let's talk about features. Sony says it has beamforming technology, which means basically you can choose the audio you want this microphone to pick up. It has total 3 modes: super directional, unidirectional and omnidirectional, and you can switch between these 3 modes just using this one button over here. Super directional means it picks up audio mostly from the front of microphone. Wait, actually I can demonstrate. Let's switch to the audio from this microphone. Now this is also recording and I chose super directional option. Now if I keep talking while recording, you should be able to feel my sound is increasing as the microphone points towards me, and then my sound should again reduce as it goes away from me. Is it working? The next mode is unidirectional. It is also sound from front but little bit spread out area. Something like if couple of people are in front of the camera. And lastly, omnidirectional means equal sound from all the directions. So if I repeat the demonstration by switching it to omnidirectional, let's record again. And now if I rotate this, it should not affect much how it was affecting the last time. My sound should be almost uniform. Let me know if it works. Now final category, audio quality. For that, let's go out in the field and see how this performs in wind and background noise, everything. And let's try this as well, if it works or not. I just wanted to come out so that there will be some background noise. Now you can see cars are passing by, there is a fountain over there, some kids are playing, and still are you able to hear my voice clearly? And just to compare, I can take the mic off now. Now mic is off, it is in my hand. And do you feel any difference in sound quality? I hope so, because I was using it in a super directional mode, so it was picking only my sound. But now it is picking sound from everywhere, I guess. And now it's back on. Again, can you hear the difference? And you don't have to worry about taking this microphone in a dust, rain. It is quite robust. Don't soak it under the waterfall, that means. But still, I will definitely use this for inside studio as well as vlogging. So overall, I really like the performance. But yes, before I go, the price. So currently this is listed for $250 on Amazon in US. But once in a while, you get huge discounts. And sometime if you check B&H photo, then you get this microphone for free if you buy some Sony camera. I know $250 for microphone is a bit expensive, but if you consider its performance and how easy it is to use, then I would say it is worth it. I got this during Thanksgiving, so I got this for free after buying this Sony A7IV camera. But if not, I would really purchase it. And there you have it, Sony EBM-B10 microphone. It's compact, it's powerful, quality is great. Only downside is little bit expensive. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next one.